مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. This lesson is on page 18 and we'll be learning some words for occupations. Occupations. Male doctor is طبيب. Male doctor طبيب. And female doctor طبيبة. Let's write both. So we have طبيب طبيب. Male doctor. Female doctor طبيبة. 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 Next one. A female nurse. A female nurse is ممرضة. 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 A male teacher. A male teacher معلم. 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 That's a male teacher. Also is known as مدرس. But let's stick with the معلم for our lesson. And female will be معلمة. 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 Next one. A butcher male is جزار. 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 That's a butcher. جزار. It's known also as لحام. So جزار. Next one. A baker male خباز from خبز, which is bread. خباز. خباز. Let's write here. خباز. 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 Next one. A policeman شرطي. شرطي. A policeman شرطي. 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 A policeman. طبيب. طبيبة. ممرضة. A male nurse will be ممرض. Let's write that as well somewhere here. So a male actually will be, although it's not there, let me write a male nurse here. ممرض. 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 That's a male nurse. معلم, a male teacher. معلمة, a female teacher. جزار, a butcher. خباز, a baker. شرطي, a policeman. Here I have an extension for you here. This is not actually in the book, but just a couple of phrases here. هل أنت ممرضة? For instance, if I'm asking you and if I'm directing my question to you and you are a female, you are a lady, I will say هل أنت? Are you? هل أنت ممرضة? Are you a nurse? If you are asking me the same question, you will say هل أنت ممرض? Are you a nurse? I can say لا. No. And you can say نعم. Yes. Later on we will learn how to say I am not. That will come later. So لا أنا طبيب. No, I am a doctor. نعم أنا طبيب. Or لا أنا طبيب. No, I am a doctor. If you want to say you are a doctor, medical doctor, and you are a lady, you will say نعم أنا A male and female will say the same thing. Ana, and then you say tabibatun. I am a medical doctor. Next one. Hal anta jazzarun? If you ask me, say, are you a baker? Are you a butcher? You say, Hal anta jazzarun? Are you a butcher? I will say, La. Ana muallimun. I'm a teacher. Or I can say, La. Ana khabbazun. I'm a baker. And so on. So experiments. You have vocabulary and you have some adjectives as well. So we're going to continue on page 18. Now let's continue on page 18 and see whether we can translate the following sentences into Arabic. You should be able to do that by now. Now, number one, I am a woman. What's a woman in Arabic? A woman in Arabic is imra'atun. And what is I am in Arabic is ana. Ana, and then you say imra'atun. Let's write it down. So, I am, ana, and then you have imra'atun. That's a woman, imra'atun. A woman. But in this case, you will read across, suppressing this alif. This is a weak alif. Ana mura'atun. Ana. Don't say ana imra'atun. Say ana mura'atun. Ana mura'atun. I'm a woman. And wa, you are a man. Speaking to a man, you are will be anta. So wa anta, and then you say a man, rajulun. So ana mura'atun wa anta wa anta rajulun. Wa anta rajulun. Rajulun. Remember wa in Arabic, which is and, you do not write it independently. It has to be part of what is after it. So wa anta, not unlike English when we say and separately. Arabic is not. You have to be part of what is after it. So ana mura'atun wa anta rajulun. I'm a woman, you are a man. Let's turn it round to say number two. I am a man. Ana, you will say the same thing. Ana is a neutral. Usually in Arabic, speaker has no gender. A speaker is gender neutral. Ana, I am. A man will say the same thing. Ana, I am. So ana rajulun. A man will say, I am a man. Ana rajulun. Ana rajulun. Wa anti. Here a woman is addressing a man. Say wa anta. Here a man or anybody else will say wa anti, speaking to a woman. Wa anti mura'atun. Wa anti. Wa anti. Wa anti mura'atun. You write woman again. Imra'atun. Ana mura'atun wa anta rajulun. Ana rajulun wa anti mura'atun. Number three. I'm a boy and you are a girl. What's a boy in Arabic? A boy is waladun. Waladun also means a child. So waladun, ana waladun. Ana waladun. Ana waladun. Waladun. And then you say wa anti bintun, and you are a girl. Wa anti bintun. Wa anti bintun. Bintun. Ana waladun wa anti bintun. Number four, I'm a girl and you are a boy. Turn it around again. So you will say ana, I'm a girl. Ana bintun wa anta waladun. number 5, and number 6. Number 5 is I am Muhammad. So we'll say ana, and then you say Muhammad, Muhammad, ana Muhammad. And that is Fatima. Wa tilka. So wa tilka Fatima. 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 Wa tilka Fatima. Ana Muhammad wa tilka Fatima. She is a girl. Here bintun. Bintun. If you want to say she is a woman, you say hiya mura'atun. Hiya mura'atun. Hiya mura'atun. Ana Muhammad wa tilka Fatima. Hiya bintun or hiya mura'atun. Let's turn this around. Number 6. I am Fatima. Ana. The same thing as ana. First one. Ana Fatima. Ana. So ana Fatima. Ana Fatima. Fatima. Ana Fatima. And that is Muhammad. وذلك محمد. Muhammad. Huwa, he is. Huwa waladun. Huwa waladun. Or you can say huwa rajulun if you want to say he's a man. Rajulun. So let's compare now and see. Ana Muhammad. I am Muhammad. The same thing you say Ana Fatima. I am Fatima. وَتِلْكَ Fatima, and that is Fatima. Here, وَذَلِكَ Muhammad, وَذَلِكَ Muhammad, and that is Muhammad. So here we use tilka, that, for a woman or a girl, and dhalika for a boy or for a man. Here we say hiya bintun, she is a girl. We say huwa here, he is a boy, and so on. Number 7. This is Khadija. She is a nurse. You say hadhaa or haadhihi. Khadija is a girl or a lady. Haadhihi Khadija. So let's try and write that as well. Haadhihi Khadija. This is Khadija. She is a nurse. Hiya mumarridatun. So we're using now the occupation. Right. So هذه خديجة. هذه خديجة هي ممرضة. She is a nurse. So هي ممرضة. هي ممرضة. That's number 7. This is Khadija. She is a nurse. Here, she is a nurse. Number 8. This is Sadiq. هذا instead of هذه, so we say هذا صادق. هو طبيب. هذا صادق. هو طبيب. This is Sadiq, and that's a male. هو, he is طبيب, a medical doctor. That's number 8. Number 9. This is Qasim. He is a butcher. هذا قاسم. هذا قاسم. قاسم. His name is a male name. It's a man or a boy. هذا قاسم. هو, so he is. هو جزار. جزار. He is a butcher. Number 10. This is Zainab. She is a doctor. هذه زينب. هي طبيبة. هذه زينب. زينب. هي طبيبة. هي طبيبة. طبيبة. You can see that we are following the gender very, very carefully. هذا, that's a male. قاسم, that's a name. هو, he is. جزار, a butcher. هذه, instead of هذا, هذه زينب. This is Zainab. Here, instead of هو, she is طبيبة, a medical doctor. In learning a language, particularly Arabic, once you know the structure, the grammar, once it's been explained to you very carefully and thoroughly, the engine you need to be able to speak fluently and to understand what you can hear in Arabic or what you are reading in Arabic is you to learn the vocabulary. That's why I'm urging you to try your best to learn at least 3 vocab, new words, every single day. Very soon you'll be amazed how much you can say in Arabic once you understand the structure of the language. Right, number 11. This is Sulaiman. Simply say, هذا سليمان. He is a teacher. Once you know the word for a teacher, which is muallimun or mudarrisun, you say, huwa mudarrisun. Huwa muallimun. Number 12. This is Layla. هذه Layla. Layla is a lady. هذه Layla. Here she is a teacher. Here muallimatun or mudarrisatun. Here we are. It becomes so easy for you, but you need to learn your vocabulary. So make sure, double your effort, please, and do your vocabulary. As I said to you, at the end of the book 2, maybe I will set assessment tests for all of you, and we say who will be receiving certificates from Gateway to Arabic Institute Online from Dr. Imran. Yes! So if you want to receive that certificate, you better work hard for me. Inshallah, it will be fine. Well done. أحسنتم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.